Hello, children. I once again welcome you back to your EVS class. Hope you all are keeping safe at home and studying properly. We were going through chapter 5, Fun and Games, in which we came to know that we cannot do a particular work for a very long time. Like if we are asked to study for a very long time, we get bored. At that time, we want something which can make us feel happy. That time, generally, children play games or they have fun in some other ways. So, we will come to know about the other ways today in our class. First of all, let's recap. We have studied there are two types of games. They are indoor games and outdoor games. So, the games which are played inside the house, they are known as indoor games like Ludo, Snake and Ladder, Scrabble, Carom, Chess, etc. And some games which are played outside the house, they are known as outdoor games like running, flying kites, riding bicycles, playing cricket and football. Okay, and when we play outdoor games, we get plenty of fresh air, and that's also a very good exercise for our body. Now, today we will come to know about other ways to have fun. So, children, do we have fun only when we play games? What are the some other ways of having fun? So, children, when you get bored, either you want to play games or sometimes you ask your parents to take you out somewhere like to a park or a playground or to a fair or a circus or a zoo. So, these are all the other ways to have fun. So, the pictures given below show some fun activities we like doing in our free time. They are watching cartoon shows on television, that is also a way in which you can have some fun, or visiting fairs, circuses and amusement parks. Children, you might be visiting different fairs at different time, and then circus also, there also we can enjoy a lot. By enjoying picnics also, we can have fun. Like at weekends, we plan for a big picnic, we go with our family members, we enjoy and have fun. Even when we go to a zoo, that time also we can have a lot of enjoyment. We can see different types of animals, wild animals also in the zoo. This way you can enjoy. And even sometimes you have seen your relatives are coming to your house, or you are visiting your relatives or friends house, and you used to enjoy and have fun together. Now children, there is one more way you can have fun. Do you know what is that? Yes, that is your hobby. Like some of the child, they like doing painting, some like dancing, some like singing, some like some other sort of activities. So these are your hobbies. Whatever hobby you have, you enjoy that time, you enjoy that part of life, or you enjoy that activity. Like some of the children, they like reading books. So that is a part of hobby. That is your hobby which you like doing the most. Okay, that gives you enjoyment, like reading storybooks, painting. So these are all hobbies. This can also help you to have some fun in your life. Now, after going through the chapter, we came to know that fun and games are very important for us. So children, this is the chapter all about. We will read the chapter several times and will learn hard spellings. This much for today, children. Take care. Thank you.